Hi to all. In this video, we'll be marking the book back answers from Economics Unit 1, 7th Standard Term 1, Lesson Productions. Now we shall start from choose the correct answer. First one, production refers to B. Creation of utilities. Utilities means the need or want that is being satisfied by the production of any products. So production refers to the creation of utilities. Second one, utilities are in the nature of, three options are given and the fourth one all of these. Answer is all of these. So utilities are in the nature of form utility, time utility and place utility. So utility we have seen what it is. So form utility is any product, its need or its usage can be changed when the form is changed. Second one, time, it can be saved and can be used for a further time. It need not be spent immediately. Place utility is when the product place of production or the place of sale is changed from one place to another, the usage or the utility differs. That is the form utility, time utility and place utility. All these are the natures of utilities. Third question, what are the primary factors? Primary factors are land and labor. So land and labor form the first, primary means first factors for production. Fourth question, the entrepreneur is also called organizer. He is called an organizer because he connects or organizes all the factors related for production. So he is an organizer. Fill in the blanks. Dash means want, satisfying power of a product. Answer is utility. Utility is, it is the satisfying power of a product. Second one, derived factors are called capital and organization. That is, the factors for production can be divided into two and one of that is derived factors, and in this derived factors, capital, money, and organization, that is the committee or team which is together working out for the production. We call that as the organization, or it can even, in simpler terms, we can say it as companies or factories like that. Third one, land is a fixed in supply. So when we say supply here, it is the distribution of the products, and so here land is fixed. It cannot be moved from one place to another place. Fourth question, dash is the human input into the production process. Labor, that is human can input, that is can give labor, that is the human input. Fifth one, dash is the man-made physical goods used to produce other goods and services. Capital, answer is capital. Here capital not only means the money directly but also the money invested for buying raw materials and for other activities. Match the following. First one, primary production, fishing and mining. So from primary activities what we get, it is fishing and mining. Second one, time utility, it can be stored for future. Time utility, it is stored for future. Third question, wealth of nation. Answer is Adam Smith. Adam Smith is called as the father of economics, and this book named Wealth of Nation was written by him. Fourth one, human capital. Answer is education and health. Education and health are the inputs or the capital, இல்லனா அடிப்படையான சொத்து அப்படினு சொல்லலாம், for the human. Innovator, answer is entrepreneur, and he gives many new innovative ideas, so we call entrepreneur as an innovator. Give short answers. What is production? The answer is in page number 187. Answer is on page number 187. You can see here meaning of production. Production is a process of combining various material inputs and immaterial inputs in order to make something for consumption. Production is the process of combining various material inputs, like material means that are in solid forms, like the raw materials like cotton or iron or sugar cane, something like that. And immaterial is money, human labor, and those things which are invisible, in order to make something for consumption. Consumption is for the usage of human beings. Second question, what is utility? Again in same page 187. Utility means want satisfying power of a product. Want satisfying power of a product. That is, when a product is produced, it cannot be produced as they wish. So based on the need or how much it will be wanted by the people, accordingly only they produce the product. So that need is called as the utility. Third question, name the types of utility. So page number 188. Here you have in this box types of utility. Answers you can see here. In 2 mark question it is asked only types, so just you can name them. Form utility, that is the physical form of the products what we are using. Next is the place utility, and that is according to the place. And then time utility, it is the time consumption. Next question, what are the factors of production? Page number 189. What are the factors of production? Here you have factors of production. Factors of production are known as inputs of production, that is, which are transformed into output or products. Factors means what all we give or what all we use to produce a product, that is called as the factors. They are, next you can see in the next 4th line, they are primary factors of production and derived factors of production. And this derived factor can be called as modern factor or also secondary factor. Next question, define labor. Labor we have seen it is an input by human being. So there is a definition for that, page number 190. Here you can see labor is the human input into the production process. Actually this might be confusing, but the work what human being does for the production process, in the production process, that is called as labor, the physical activity done by the human being. 7th question, write the forms of capital. Answer is on page number 192. Here you can see forms of capital. One is the physical capital or the material resources. Actually capital refers to what all we use for the production process. So one is physical capital or the material resources. Second is the money capital or the monetary resources. And then third one is the human capital or the human resource. Next question, write the 3 characteristics of an entrepreneur. So the characters of entrepreneur, page number 195. Here you have characters. 5 characters are given here. You have to write any 3. An entrepreneur is identifying profitable, investable opportunities. That is, an entrepreneur means a person who is involved in business, who involves in business and other activities like production industries and all that. So he first identifies profit. Second one, deciding the location of the production unit. They will decide the place where the production has to be done, the place where it has to be done. Then making innovations. that is finding out new methods and ways of production or the products, then deciding the reward payment, that like salary or the prices or the increment and incentives for the workers or the people. Then taking risk and facing uncertainties. When they spend all the money for the factories, they become the risk takers. Next one, give brief answers. Here I have given the page numbers for these questions, and usually, as I say, all these questions, answers for these questions are given in the side headings, whatever it is there. So you can mark the page numbers and learn for your further understanding. Thank you all.